Please cooperate with your respective groups, and please remember that if you have already done answering your question, you can raise now your answer. Can you read your question?
When water overflows its boundaries and submerges land, what is it?
Okay, and what is your answer?
Lying.
Okay, from this picture, please on this picture that did state lying. You can now place your answer on the board. You can just please. And how about the group 2? Are you done? And you read the question you have.
What's the period of unusually and dangerously hot energy?
You can now place your answer. And then you okay, that is group 1 was the first to raise and read the answer on the board. You now have 1 point. And for your next question, may I have another representative please speak up your question. Yes, please, sir. Okay, group 2, what is your question?
The question is, what causes the ground to shake? Violent earthquake.
Okay, may you now please your answer. Okay, very good, group 2. Okay, you can notice your answer to one. And now look up to your grammar symbols. Okay, eyes on the board. Group 2 got 2 points and Group 1 got 1 point. So the winner is the Group 2. But since you got all the correct answer right, let's all stand and do the awesome clap. Let's start with us. And the awesome clap we do it like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Let's do it fast. 1, 2, 3, go. Awesome. You may now take your seat. Based on the activity you did, are you familiar with these pictures, class? Okay, what do you observe or what can you say about these pictures? Okay, maybe about natural disasters or natural hazards. Very good, Miley. So, we're going to talk about natural hazards today. But before we proceed with the types of natural hazards, I want you to watch a video about natural hazards. Class. So since this video will work, let's proceed with the types of natural hazards.
Discussion. Madigi presentation.
But before that, for our presentation, I have here a number and please give me each. And later on, I will randomly select a number and the student with that number will answer my question or the question.
OA. Sun.
Make it faster, please.
Kulang ata.
Okay, are you done, class? Now, let's proceed with the first type of natural hazard, which is the geological hazard. Geological hazards are naturally occurring events originating from internal earth processes that pose a following do you think are an example of geological or just give one? Okay, another one. Number 14. Yes, Dr. Roy? Are you number 14? Okay, give another example of geological hazards. Very good, Dr. Roy. Another one is number 3. Look at the number 3. Can you stand number 3? It seems like there's no number 3, so I'll put it again. Number 2. Okay, I said, give the last example of geological hazards. It seems like your answer is correct. So, can anyone repeat out Isaac? Okay, Zafina. That's fine. Very good, sir. So, earthquake, volcanic eruption, and landslide are an example of the geological hazard. But how did you consider, or what did you think you consider the earthquake, and volcanic eruption, and landslide as the example of geological hazard? Number 19. Okay, Mr. The question is how you will consider the earthquake, volcanic eruption, and landslide considered as an example of geological hazard. Why? Follow friend? Yes?
I think it's considered geological hazard because earthquake, volcanic eruption, and landslide eruption of volcanoes are unique from the number of hazards.
Who among you here experienced an earthquake? Okay. Can you share your knowledge about an earthquake or what is earthquake? 21. Please number 21. Yes, please. What is an earthquake? In your own understanding, what is an earthquake?
Earthquake is very shaking.
Any other answer? Thank you, Mr. Christian. Any other answer? Okay. Thank you, Ray. Okay, an earthquake is violent and abrupt shaking of the ground In five, let us all stand here. In five, four, three, two, one, drop. Cover and hold. Now let us all stand class. Thank you very much. May God be with What do you think is the importance of snowing, cloud racing, or the primary safety protocol during that? 14. 17. Number 17. What do you think is the importance of knowing or knowledgeable with the primary safety protocol during the earthquake?
We must be knowledgeable about the safety protocols for us not to be harmed by those naturally occurring hazards.
Very good, Michael. And now let's move on with the volcanic eruption. Who among you has seen a volcanic eruption, or what do you observe during the volcanic eruption? 11. Number 11. Okay, another number. Number 6. We got number 6. Please. Come on, class, number 13. Okay. 28. Okay, this, sorry. Have you ever seen a volcanic eruption, or what do you observe during the volcanic eruption? What is going on?
In volcanic eruption happens, releases lava. That's
So, the volcanic eruption is caused by the movement of a magma or a molten rock caused by the atom beneath the Earth's surface. So, or the causes of volcanic eruption, it can change the landforms, which is by destroying the existing landform by land craters. And also, it can damage the cracks near in the volcanoes, and the transportation, or the disrupt the transportation. And now, let's move on with landslide. What are the possible causes of landslide? This one.
I think the main reason why there is certain foreign landslides is because due to the heavy rain and soften of the soil.
Very good, Donor. Landslide actually is a natural process, but the human activities can contribute to their occurrence, like the deforestation, mining, rocks building, and construction. And now let's move to the second types of natural hazard, which is the hydrometeorological hazards. Will you please read the slide?
hydrometeorological hazards. Naturally occurs in normal water related to weather, likely in the water cycle that can cause harm to humans, property, and the environment.
Thank you, Marlene. Class, identify full, flooding, and heat waves are an example of hydrometeorological hazards. Okay. Full, flooding, and heat waves are an example of hydrometeorological hazard. In this picture, is this an example of typhoon, or what do you think? It shows typhoon will have 10 minutes to finish the task that is given to them, and after finishing, they will present their work in front of the class. So, to form your group, please start in the circle class. Form in
Circle. Big circle. Circle lahat. Big circle. Nakalitan sama Mas kapalaran Umanap ng hirap Hindi sinilin tayo ng paro Sisid lang ng hinog Big
Okay, heart shape, you may stay at the center, and the square shape, you may stay here, and the triangle shape will stay to the side. That is if your respective group will
wow. Tarantado.
And for your activity, here is the So, given you cooperate. Okay, Spiritual, you will now present your report. Thank you, Spiritual. And how about the hardship? Are you done? Not yet. And how about the triangle shape?
Do you have any idea nung non-mom ko na? Di ba na ba sa activity di ba na? Cellphone gamit niya siya.
Good morning, everyone. The task that we went to us is to create a slogan of natural hazard preparedness. So we create this slogan. It is disaster-aware, take action, prepare. So for us to be able to avoid any bad process to like this, we need to be prepared. That's all.
Thank you, Spiritual. And how about this Spiritual? Are you done? Okay, I will use a number wheel to randomly select the student who will answer the question. And once you answer the question correctly, you will receive a prize. Okay, let's start. Number 13. What is number 13? Okay, please. Will you come here in front? And just your read the question, please.
Can earthquake happen underwater? Yes, earthquake can happen underwater because the tectonic plates is not only on land masses but also in oceans. And with this earthquake in waters can cause a tsunami.
Okay, that's okay, number 19. What is number 19? Yes, Sir Roosevelt. And keep your balloon. Whatever is the best. Use it. Okay, what is your question? Just read the question loudly. Okay, Roosevelt, now take your prize. Okay, now round is concerned. Another number, please. Okay, number 10. Are you sure that we get the number 10?
Nagduduwa ni ma'am. Kasi nakapress.
But this is an example of hydrogen typhoon and
Very good, and then now take your prize. And this is in the work. We only have last 3 questions. 23, got the number 23. Yes, Eva, you have the number 23.
give at least no example of the geological hazard. Earthquake and volcanic eruption.
Hurricane Alvin, how is your chance and explain the Last one question.
Nangalan ni Roda. Allah. Allah. Uy, di ba? Nabuo na tayo. Timak, dara tayo.
Hydrometeorological hazard and geological hazard management. You can let's go for class for those students who didn't receive or guys can still receive a break later on. And for your quiz, we have
Thank you.